When you bring a medical malpractice lawsuit against the doctor whom you believe caused you significant harm and injury, will you have to confront your doctor during his pretrial testimony? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and the answer is maybe yes and maybe no. So let me tell you what I mean. During the course of your lawsuit, I will have an opportunity to question the doctor whom you have sued. And this question and answer session is going to take place in the doctor's lawyer's office, in their conference room. And there will be a court reporter to again record all of my questions and all of the doctor's answers. So now the question I raised in the headline is, are you going to be there to confront the doctor, either personally or in some other fashion? The answer most likely is no. My recommendation is that you do not show up, even though you have an absolute legal right to be there, to observe, and to participate by watching the proceedings. Since you are a party to the litigation, you have the ability to go ahead and participate and sit and watch the questions being asked and watch the doctor answer those questions. I have told all my clients over the course of my entire career, do not come to this question and answer session. Don't come to the pretrial questioning. Why not? Number one, it's because you're going to get very upset. You are going to get so upset you may at one point want to reach over and start shaking the doctor. How could you do this? And I don't want that to happen. Number two, you're going to be listening to the doctor testify. And there may be certain things that he says that disagree with your assessment or your recollection of what actually occurred. And that's going to make you very upset and very angry. So rather than start yelling and screaming during the course of this question and answer session, the best thing to do is not to show up. You should know that after I'm done with the question and answer session, after this deposition, the court reporter prepares a booklet called a transcript. And that is all of the questions that I ask and all the answers the doctor gave. And she transcribes all that information. And we get that booklet, and now that's pretrial testimony. I have no problem making a copy of that, sending it off to you, so now in the comfort of your own home, you can read it at your leisure. Question, answer, and you can understand exactly what went on during the course of that questioning. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these medical malpractice cases here in New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need answers, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.